Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help out the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer. Anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. If we are looking at the overall crypto market cap today, guys, we are currently sitting at $1.89 trillion. We're approaching that $1.9 trillion mark. We're up 3.4% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 44.3%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, we are seeing a lot of green across the board. There's a lot of exciting things happening in the cryptocurrency space, and that's exactly what we want to see happen as we approach Q4. Some altcoins are up double digits, such as Dogecoin. So everything is looking very, very nice. But today, guys, I want to look, further into Vechain. All right, my Vechain family, if we are looking at the Vechain's price, as you guys can see, we are currently trading at 10.7 cents. We're up 3.9% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also up 0.9% in Bitcoin comparative in just the last 24 hours. Vechain's current rank on CoinMarketCap and on CoinGecko is at the top 21 spot. Market cap right now is $7 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is finally above that $1 billion mark, guys. So everything is looking very, very nice when it comes to that. But if we are zooming out and looking at the bigger picture for Vechain, guys, in just the last year alone, we're up 475.7%. But in just the last 14 days, guys, we're up 50%. So you guys get the picture. Everything is starting to look very, very nice. But before we get into the charts, I just wanted to share with you guys, Vechain is targeting the multi-billion-dollar Chinese pet food traceability market using industry-leading blockchain technology. This is a very, very bullish news. If you guys want to read this article, I don't want to bore you guys. I will leave the link in the description box below. I strongly encourage you guys to check this out so you guys get a better understanding as to what exactly is going on. And this is one of the reasons as to why I am super, super bullish on Vechain, because it provides a real use case, and it only, gets bigger and bigger as time goes by. And I believe this is just the beginning for Vechain as a project. But now if we are checking the price, guys, very, very exciting times ahead for the entire Vechain community, because if you guys did not watch my video yesterday, I'm sorry, just 2 days ago, I did say, guys, we are going to break out of this 10 cents mark, and once that happens, things are going to start looking good. And one thing I want to point out for you guys is that the volume is coming in finally. It has come in, and we have finally broke above this 10 cents mark. This was playing as a very, very crucial level of resistance. Last time we were above this level was almost 2 months back, guys. Almost 2 months back, and we have finally been able to break above here. Now comes the question that everyone wants to know: where exactly is Vechain going in the immediate short term? And we will go over all the factors and come up with the most likelihood scenario that is going to occur for Vechain. But one thing I want to point out for you guys, I always like pointing this out for you guys, is that if you guys did manage to pick up some Vechain around this 5.4 cents mark, you are already up, guys, 95% in just almost 2.5 to 3 weeks. So that's might have been a very, very nice time to be accumulating some Vechain for you guys. But now comes the question that a lot of people are not anticipating, asking: so have we seen the bottom? And I believe that we have seen the bottom for the cryptocurrency space, and I will tell you, I'm sorry, for the Bitcoin price, I will tell you why. So let's look at Bitcoin price briefly, and then we will go into the Vechain's chart and see what's exactly going on. So if you guys don't know, if this is your first time landing on my channel, the cryptocurrency markets run off one thing, and that is Bitcoin. Now you may be asking, why exactly is that? Because Bitcoin is the leading indicator of the entire cryptocurrency markets, meaning whatever Bitcoin decides to do, so whether it's go up or down, it does have a major impact on the entire crypto space. So it doesn't matter what coin it is going to have some sort of effect, except obviously stable coins. So one thing has happened for the Bitcoin price that is very, very exciting. And now I do believe, I'm very, very confident that yes, we have seen the bottom for the Bitcoin price, and we are about to see Bitcoin have a rally towards the upside, which a lot of analysts were predicting to happen. And so far, everything is going as planned. So as you guys can see, we did see this drop. When this is when the China FUD came out along with Elon FUD, we had quite a bit of a consolidation phase occur over the last 3 months, if you guys can see. Then we finally broke above this $36,434 mark just a week ago, and then we finally broke above $43,244 mark, first time ever since we have seen this crash occur. So this shows me that the bulls are back and markets are indeed headed towards the upside, and we are going to see some newer highs for Bitcoin's price. I'm very confident about that. I believe that we are going to see Bitcoin have its rally first, and then we will see the money flow back into altcoins, causing the BTC dominance to go towards the downside, and that's where we will see the altcoin rally. But obviously, everything is starting to look very, very nice, but let's not ignore that there could be some big influencer or a big figure around the world that could come out any single time. This is the risk that comes with investing. They can come out and say, this about cryptocurrencies, just to create FUD. That will definitely have some sort of negative effect on the Bitcoin price, and that could mean that we could see some price volatility occur. But right now, as of recording this video, in the current market sentiment, that is very unlikely, but we do always have to point that out for you guys. So what does this mean for Vechain? So right now, if Bitcoin is able to break above this $46,000 mark, guys, I would not be surprised if we enter back into the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level and possibly even break above this resistance at the 13 cents mark. Last time we were above here, guys, or we even touched this level, was back on June 4th. So over 2 months ago. So that would obviously be very, very exciting for the entire cryptocurrency space, and especially Vechain holders. So that would mean we would need a push towards the upside for roughly 23% for us to break above that. So that is very, very exciting. And I would not be surprised if that were to happen very, very fast, because the momentum is back. And one thing I want to point out for the newcomers, especially the newcomers in the cryptocurrency space, yes, we can have parabolic cycles like this. Boom, people are making instant gains. Everything is looking very nice. You're thinking to yourself, I'm going to retire tomorrow. But then, out of the blue, in a blink of an eye, we could see the Bitcoin price fall towards the downside. What does that mean for altcoins? Altcoins are obviously going to be affected, and majority of the times altcoins do get affected, way worse compared to Bitcoin, and that could cause a lot of fear across the board. But one thing I want to always share with you guys is that as long as you have done your due diligence and research and have invested the money that you can afford to lose in solid projects with real use case, real utility, patience will be your number one key to follow. And you do not want to get greedy when you are seeing massive profits, because if someone comes and tells you markets will go up straight in one line and you're becoming rich overnight, absolutely not, guys. You cannot get greedy. If the profit's too much that you can't afford to lose, take some out, scale some out, and you put that into USDT or use that for your personal use to either buy back the dips or, like I said, use it for your own personal use. And you guys can see markets tend to move up very, very fast when we do see a reversal, but it just comes down to whether or not you have the patience or not. But everything is looking very, very nice for the project of Vechain. You guys know my stance on this project. Long term, this project, sky's the limit. No one can put a price target on this. Yes, this bull cycle, we could hit specific price targets. I still believe we will see a newer all-time high for Vechain, because, guys, As I have mentioned, the ecosystem is growing at a tremendous rate. Cryptocurrencies are going mainstream, and projects like Vechain are the ones that are going to be the most appealing because, once again, they have a working product, real use case, massive communities, and that's what stands out most of the time. VeChain has everything it needs for it to succeed. We just need to have patience. But if we are bringing out, the measuring tool from all-time highs, we are currently down 61.91%. And like I said, when markets do move up towards the upside, they move up very, very fast. So very exciting times indeed. But we need to definitely have patience. But let me know in the comment section below what you guys think, and what are you guys doing right now. Currently, are you guys buying up more VeChain, or are you guys holding? Exactly what is your game plan? I would love to know your thoughts down below. And if you have not joined the Telegram group chat, guys, what are you waiting for? It's free to join. A link in the description box below. We talk about cryptocurrencies, the latest news and trends revolving around the space, and just have a great time at the end of the day. And thank you so much for all the support that you guys show me, each and every one of you guys. I love you guys. For always supporting me. You guys know who you are, and always remember, I do this for you guys. Stay safe out there. Safety, health, and family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. I will see you guys later. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.